Hello, welcome to Craftybase. In this video, we'll show you how to set up and connect your Etsy store to Craftybase so you can automatically sync stock updates using Stock Push. By enabling Stock Push on your Etsy integration, Craftybase helps you keep full control of your store's inventory. You can review and update your Etsy stock numbers directly from Craftybase, choose exactly when to send those updates, and keep a complete record of every push for easy tracking and troubleshooting. Let's get started with our walkthrough. Before you enable the Stock Push feature for your Etsy store, you'll need to make sure your Etsy listings are ready for Stock Push. If your listing has variations in Craftybase but isn't set to track variant inventory in Etsy, you'll need to enable inventory tracking on Etsy. Without this, Stock Push can't update quantities correctly. First, go to your Etsy store and select your listing. In the listing page, select the Variations tab. Scroll down to the Variations section and ensure all of the checkboxes next to the variations are ticked to track inventory. Click on Manage Variation, then customize your preferences. You should be all set. To get started, in the Overview page, please select Stock Push from the menu. Here you will find a list of the available integrations that support Stock Push. Find your Etsy store and toggle on the Stock Push column. If you haven't already, you'll need to authorize permissions for Craftybase to send updates to Etsy. Next, toggle on the Stock Push option and save your settings. With everything connected, your Etsy integration is now ready for Stock Push. You'll start to see your listings appear on the Stock Push page as drafts whenever quantities change in Craftybase. Remember, by enabling Stock Push feature for your Etsy store, you can be confident that your Etsy inventory always matches what's in Craftybase. And every push is logged, so you can see exactly when changes were made and keep a full history for reference. And that's it. Your Etsy store is now set up and ready for Stock Push. From now on, Craftybase will handle the syncing for you, so you can spend less time updating numbers and more time making things. If you'd like to learn more, check out our full help article or reach out anytime at help@craftybase.com.